We found it, boys. We found it. It's right here, boys. The module's right here. All you got to do is unplug it. On the older models, this is where the fuse is located. Not on this Dyna, boys. It's right here, boys. What you're gonna wanna do after you take the plastic cover off, you're gonna locate the module. You're gonna see the rib handle running vertically on the right-hand side of the module. You're gonna wanna push that back towards the inside of the bike. It's on a hinge system. So as it pushes it back, it releases the plug from the module. Scary at first, boys. Seems like you might break something. If you're pushing on that arm really hard, you might have to put a flathead in here at the top just to ease it out. I did not have to do that with mine. Mine came out pretty easily. You're gonna wanna make sure you have the key off on the bike so there is no power running to the module. We just unlocked the ABS on the Harley Dyna. It's gonna be a whole new world. It's gonna be a whole new world. You're gonna be able to do brake slides. Yeah. You're gonna be able to do brake tours. You're gonna be able to do burnouts. So
it's gonna change the game.
It's gonna really change the game, boys. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I might be a little bit excited. You know what I'm saying, boys? So, boys, we might be getting a little squirrely. Delete the ABS on a 2016 Harley Dyna.
Hell yeah.
Mobbin Supply, ABS delete.
Like and subscribe.
Till next week, ride hell in for leather.
Let's get it.
That's gonna be good. That's gonna be good. Hell yeah.